guys, welcome back to Sprinkle Sure Pop. If you are new, welcome. So before we start this tutorial, I do want to mention that we now carry Color Mill. Color Mill is a candy coloring that does not change your chocolate consistency. We do have over 30 colors to choose from. If you are local here in Sacramento, you can go ahead and place your order through Instagram so you can avoid those shipping fees. But if you are not local, you can go ahead and place your order through our website at sprinklesurepop.com. I will be putting the link down below in the description box if you are interested. Okay, so let's get started with our tutorial. Okay guys, so let's get started. So you are going to need chocolate, candy coloring. I'm using this Color Mill candy coloring. It's in the color blush, and your 3-piece mold. Let's go ahead and start melting our chocolate. Now that our chocolate is fully melted, we are going to color it. Before you start coloring your chocolate, make sure it's not super duper hot, because if you add the coloring to hot chocolate, it will leave color specks. I really love this candy coloring because it does not change your chocolate consistency. We also have a lot of colors to choose from. I will be putting the link down below if you guys are interested. Not only can you use it in chocolate, but you can also use it to color your fondant and I believe icing as well. Okay, so once you're done, you can go ahead and start adding the chocolate to the heart mold. This mold is a 3-piece mold, but trust me, I know it looks a little bit complicated, but it's super duper easy to use. As you can see, this heart mold has a line, so basically you have to add chocolate up to that line. Go ahead and place your 2 pieces on top of your heart. Press down slightly and then flip it around and press down again until you cover all the edges. So I was supposed to add a little bit less chocolate, but it's okay because once our heart hardens, we can easily remove the excess chocolate. But anyways, once your edges are fully covered, you can go ahead and pop it in the fridge for 13 minutes. Our heart is ready to be removed from the mold. You want to go ahead and start removing the thin plastic very carefully. This heart is super quick and easy to use compared to the silicone mold. The silicone mold takes longer because you have to do 2 layers. This heart mold is available on our website at sprinklesurepop.com if you guys are interested. I will be putting the link down below. I recently created like a boho themed breakable heart. I don't know if you guys noticed that the heart had like a marbled effect. I'm wondering if I can do the same thing on this type of mold, because with the silicone mold you can actually move like the chocolate around to help you create that effect. But for this mold you can't really do that. You have to like basically press down the other two pieces that go on top. So I am going to make a video and see if it works. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video was very helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on my future videos. Please comment down below what type of videos would you like to see, and thanks so much for watching. God bless.